Welcome to the exclusive and multiple award-winning Riverbanks Clinic. Whether you visit our flagship clinic in Harpenden or attend our Harley Street clinic in London, at Riverbanks you are assured that you will receive first-class medical care in a tranquil, private and relaxed environment. It's a big decision to choose and then attend an aesthetic clinic. So that initial step to meet a medical specialist for the first time is a sensitive matter. So Lois, when you came to Riverbanks Clinic for the very first time, everybody feels a little bit of apprehension. How did the Harmony approach help you?
Yes, obviously you're quite nervous, and I think having quite a gentle diagnostic of what it is that you want and understanding what your needs are in terms of what your expectations are, what is realistic for your lifestyle, and what you want to finally achieve to make you feel comfortable by someone talking through, your general lifestyle, your diet, your skin. I think that's quite a relaxing, trustworthy approach to have, because you feel that you had the confidence then in the treatment that you want to have done.
So how was it like for you when those initial hurdles fell and you really felt that you were listened to?
I think it was very, very important, because I began to trust in what the doctor was telling me, because I felt as though he was interested in what I wanted to achieve for myself, and he sort of explained to me what was realistic and not realistic. So that took a lot of apprehension away from what possible treatments there may be, and you felt as though you were in good hands.
And of course, precisely being in good hands, therefore, trusting a new doctor, trusting, a new clinic is a big deal, isn't it?
I think the whole experience has been, life-changing for me, to be honest. I feel a different person. I begin to get my confidence back. People notice that, I seem more, alive in my face. The experience has been tremendous, because it's exceeded my expectations of what it is that I wanted to achieve, just by very, very subtle differences being made to your face.
Well, Dr. Jane, how important was it for the patients when you introduced the Harmony approach here at Riverbanks?
Many patients are concerned about having aesthetic treatments. They may want to have aesthetic treatments because they want something that could be done to help them look more the way they feel, and we appreciate that and we understand that. Our patients, the first point of contact is often through our website, and then they contact the clinic, usually via phone call. And it's there where they tend to experience get their first chance to encounter the Riverbanks experience. And we're all about really trying to welcome patients, knowing we understand what their concerns are, and we're very confident that we're going to be able to reassure them and help them look more like the way they feel and natural. They're not going to walk out of the clinic looking like they've had aesthetic works done.
So tell us, how exactly does the Harmony approach help the patient?
The Harmony approach is a consultation method which I helped us develop over the last 4 years. And the whole point here is to make the patient the centre at that consultation. They are included in, they're heavily involved in choosing their treatment options. How do we do that? Well, I do that by, first of all, identifying their motivations. We fill out a brief questionnaire. The patient does that away from me, so it's in their own privacy. And then we go through that to see why they've chosen today to come in for an aesthetic consultation. What are the reasons they're doing it? So that I can help address it and give them plans and ideas and expectations that are realistic. We assess their skin quality, their features on their face, and it's not through a computerized program. This is between myself and the patient, really assessing themselves together, seeing, right, what is the quality of your skin? How strong are the frown lines? Is there any sagging? How much sun damage is there? In our opinion, we're both included in this. And on the basis of those findings, we then choose together the optimized treatment plan for that patient, maybe not in the first treatment session, but maybe over 1 or 2 years, so that we have a long-term plan to work together.
When those initial concerns are addressed and the patient happily chats away, that must be a huge weight off their shoulders.
It's absolutely rewarding when we see patients come back and they are just, you can see the confidence that's oozing out of them, whereas at the first consultation they may have been a little bit reserved, a bit timid, or they Or the other side of the coin is where we see patients and maybe they have had other aesthetic experiences somewhere else and they say, wow, this is completely different. You know, we didn't think this is what aesthetics was about, you know, and basically this is second nature to us. All we want to do is teach, I teach hundreds of doctors about this program, but all we want to do in our practice is treat our patients the way we treat our best friends and our family.
Trust by a patient is a massive subject, and the Harmony approach makes sure that the patient is happy throughout the whole process.
Absolutely. The Harmony approach is integral to the Riverbanks experience here. We're not looking for quick one-stop people coming in. We're looking to develop a long-term relationship because we're all getting older, okay? And, you know, we're all living longer. And, you know, things can be done for lots of reasons, not just anti-aging. You know, there could be disfigurements, there could be medical conditions that need treating, and we can help people feel much better about themselves.
And what does it do to you, Dr. Jane, when a new patient comes in, possibly slightly shy and reserved, goes through the Harmony approach, goes on with the treatment is successful, and you see them skipping out the door?
Oh, you just feel like, yeah, that's good.
With Dr. Ravi Jain and his highly qualified medical team at Riverbanks, you are in the best of hands. This inclusive approach, the Harmony approach, will make your quest in finding the right aesthetic treatment for your needs a lot easier than you think, and will make sure that a fabulous looking you will be the guaranteed result. Enjoy the new you with Riverbanks.